Hello everyone, today is day 4 of our 3D design camp, and today it's all about designing a moon base. So what we want you to do is to create a moon base for future lunar exploration, specifically so that humans can come and work and do research on the moon. So our moon base should represent some understanding of how humans are going to survive on the moon. Think about what supplies they're going to need, maybe what kind of research they're doing, what vehicles they might need, what kind of transportation, where are they getting their energy, and all of those wonderful things. So step 1 is going to be building a basic moon base. Now, if you want, you can do some Google image searches, and you'll notice that moon bases are typically spherical or have curved sides, and that's just because of the amount of pressure that needs to be inside of our moon base in order to have an atmosphere so that we can breathe. I would recommend doing a little bit of research and figuring out different sizes and shapes and the different aspects that go into the architecture and engineering of a moon base. It's pretty interesting stuff, and it takes a lot of supplies. So getting all those supplies from Earth to the moon is going to be difficult. So maybe if there's a way to use some of the elements that are already on the lunar surface, so it might be fun to, kind of as a challenge, to incorporate maybe a construction site of where they're refining some of the lunar rock into building materials. But step 1, building a basic moon base design. It doesn't have to be like mine. You don't have to have pods or anything like this. It could be whatever you want it to look like. But I have just a basic moon base tutorial here just to kind of get you started. And then we definitely want you to add details to it. So take time thinking about those different things that you're going to need that I mentioned earlier. What food are they going to be bringing with them? Are they going to be growing crops on the moon? Where are they getting their water from? How are they recycling the water? Where are you storing liquids? Where are you storing everything? Where do the humans sleep? Where's the landing pad for the rocket ship? Is there a lunar rover to take some joyrides out on the lunar surface? How are you powering your moon base? Are there solar panels? All those different details we want to see in your moon base. So there's a quick YouTube tutorial just to add some of these elements in. And then if you want, step 3 is to create the lunar surface. So if you want to add in some more detail so it looks like it's actually on the moon's surface, that would be really cool. So what I do, it's just a really quick tutorial, just a couple minutes, just showing how to make things that might look like craters, how to add some boulders, and just some design elements that you can incorporate to make it look like it's an actual moon base on the lunar surface. Some other things that you could add if you want to add a rocket ship, you could have it blasting off. I use the scribble tool to make the fire, spheres to make the smoke that's coming out of the flames. And just take a look at some of the examples that are on here just to get some inspiration and be thinking about ideas that you can incorporate into a lunar moon base. All right, I hope you guys have fun today, and I look forward to seeing all the projects that are made. Good luck.